Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. You're tuned in to a very special edition of the $500 Challenge. That's right, this is the Show and Prove edition. Okay? Peace to all the gods and all the earths and all the civilized people on the planet. Okay? Knowledge Decipher. We're going to get into about 40 option trades that I placed for this episode. Okay? Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, turn on your post notifications, let all your friends and families know, and most importantly, make sure that you sign up for my $500 giveaway, okay? This channel is giving away $500 when we reach 1,000 subscribers. If you are in the New York tri-state area, consider pulling up to the Show and Prove of the Nation of Gods and Earths. That's right, we have events taking place today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And without further ado, we're going to get into the trades, baby. Our first trade is the outlier. Ticker symbol SIGA, SIGA. This is a play on, what do they call that? That monkeypox epidemic that they are throwing out there to scare everybody. Okay, so I traded an option on it, and I did trade some shares on it. I don't have the information on the shares. Don't know why I didn't include that. The option I traded was the June 17th $15 call at 230.51. I was out of that trade at 269.48 for a profit of $38.97 or 16.90%. Then I have 15 trades on the NASDAQ, ticker symbol QQQ. Okay, my highest percent gain was 91.49%. My highest dollar gain, $274.96. My lowest percent gain was 7.21%. Lowest dollar gain, $27.97. All 15 trades totaled $1,119.45 for an average of $74.63. I had 31 SPY trades. Highest percent gain, 82.49%. Highest dollar gain, $268.96. Lowest percent gain, 6.73%. Lowest dollar gain, $25.97. All 31 trades totaled $2,002.86 for an average of $64.60. All things considered, all things said, all of these trades totaled $3,161.28 or 632% on $500. Okay, and that's the whole purpose of this video, to show what can be done with $500. Keep you guys motivated. Okay, if you want to bring justice to your financial future, you should consider trading stocks and options. Okay, this is your brother in trading and investing, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace.